What if I told you that the internet's most shocking viral trend, the so-called MC Mateo Gold Neck, isn't what it looks like at all? The videos blowing up across social media show rapper MC Mateo with what appears to be a neck fused in solid gold, sparking wild claims of 24-karat surgical body modification, futuristic implants, and even gold plating procedures that supposedly turn skin metallic. But when the hype is stripped away and the actual evidence is examined, the story changes fast as the origins of these clips point towards stage illusion rather than medical reality. With fashion designers, special effects techniques, and digital enhancements playing far bigger roles than any underground surgery lab ever could. There's no medical documentation, no verified surgeon statements, and no credible scientific explanation supporting the idea of safely bonding real gold directly onto living skin the way these rumors suggest. And experts in cosmetic effects have explained that what we're seeing can be recreated using custom silicone prosthetics, reflective body paint, ultra-polished jewelry molds, and strategic lighting designed to erase texture and blend edges on camera, all amplified further by eye-powered smoothing filters and post-production, touch-ups that are now common in viral music content. Even frame-by-frame analysis of the footage reveals inconsistencies in reflection, skin movement, and texture shifts that point to layered effects rather than any permanent physical alteration. And while the visuals may look convincing enough to fool millions, the reality is far less sci-fi than social media claims make it seem. By the end of the investigation, the gold neck turns out to be a creative performance gimmick engineered to shock, trend, and drive clicks rather than a revolutionary medical procedure, proving once again how easily spectacle can overpower facts online. So before taking viral visuals at face value, it's worth remembering that not everything glittering on your screen is actually gold.